In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Gmail filters. Managing your email effectively can make a significant difference in your productivity, and knowing how to manage filters in Gmail is a valuable skill to help keep your inbox organized. Whether it's sorting emails automatically or making sure certain messages never hit your spam folder, Gmail filters are there to help streamline your inbox experience. So, let's dive in and see how you can access and modify these filters with ease. Firstly, to get started, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and looking at your inbox, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find the gear icon, which serves as a gateway to your Gmail settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. It may look small, but it's a powerful tool that's largely instrumental in customizing how Gmail functions to suit your needs. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled See All Settings and click it. This will direct you to a comprehensive list of settings that control many aspects of your Gmail account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options to take full advantage of Gmail's capabilities. Next, within the settings page, you'll find various tabs at the top. Each tab is a category of settings, offering different ways to customize your email experience. For our purpose today, you'll want to navigate to the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Once you locate it, click on the tab. This section is dedicated to managing how emails are filtered and handled when they arrive in your inbox. Now that you're in the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, you'll see a list of all the filters that are currently active in your Gmail account. These filters might have been set by you in the past, automatically sorting emails based on criteria like sender, subject, or specific words contained in the email. Here, you can review what you've set up. It's an excellent opportunity to ensure that your filters are up to date and continue to meet your needs. Beside each filter, you'll find options to either edit or delete them. If you click Edit, you can refine or change the conditions and actions of the filter. This is handy if you've found that a filter isn't working quite as expected or if your needs have changed over time. On the other hand, if a particular filter is outdated or no longer necessary, clicking Delete will remove it from your settings altogether. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access and manage your Gmail filters, allowing you to streamline and control your email experience more effectively. Whether you need to adjust existing filters or clean them out, knowing where to find and manage these settings is crucial to maintaining an orderly and efficient email system. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!